let's check a ChatGPT capability on DB Schema Design. I have here the DB Schema Design requirement for designing a table informations for sample project. So I have considered employee information of an organization to be designed, and this employee to have the ID, name, address, department, and contact information. And I have specified here that an employee can have multiple address like permanent current address, and there shall be multiple contact information as well. So how we can decide the DB schema for this scenario? That is the question I have asked. It has created the DB schema in the following manner. Actually, it created the three tables: employees, addresses, and contact information. And the schema design for individual tables is as below. It created the employees table with employee ID as the primary key, so that is expected. And this address table, it assumed that address is going to have address ID because that is going to be primary key, and it is going to refer the employee ID of employees table. Yeah, it is the foreign key. It is also expected. Yeah, and it assumed the standard column name what we used to give for address table. Since I have not provided any information for this address table how it should look like, it assumed the standard column name available for this address information and contact information. So I told that the contact information may be one to many, so for that as well it has created the contact ID, and it is referring the employee ID with the foreign key reference. And contact type, contact value, I guess it has given the type as either email or phone, because there is also, I didn't mention, but it assumed itself, okay, with some extra information. That's good. And it is given some entity relationship diagram. I think it is more elaborative, and it has created the schema example with the data. So it is explaining us how these tables will be looking like. So if this is containing two rows, and employee ID 1 is being referred in the address table 2 times, that means one to many. So it is covering the example of one to many relationship, and contact information also one to many. So it covered for this employee ID what is the email and what is the phone number contact for these employees. So likewise it has done a very good DB design, I should say, because it applied the normalization, and it properly assumed the referential integrity, and yeah, scalability it is saying, yeah, some design pattern it is saying, yeah, that's good. And it is also saying possible enhancements. Okay, so you can add the additional columns on your own requirement. Yeah, and indexes. Okay, indexes also can be added, so it is reminding for us that indexes can improve the better performance. So yeah, that's also good. And address normalization. So further normalization could be done, creating an address table for the street, zip code, city, and linking with the employee address. Yeah, that's also good. And I have asked to create the DDL script, okay, with the sample data, and yeah, it is giving me the actual table creation script like this, okay. And this contact information table also been created. After this, it is inserting the table with the data, sample data. So it assumed the example data what it assumed in the previous conversation, and it has given the insert script as well. So on loading this, I think we can execute in the Hadoop easily, because this is very straightforward statements. and it is giving some steps how we can upload CSV data to HDFS in case you would like to upload the data for employees address and contact information in CSV file. You can upload like this, and loading the data directly to the Hive table also been explained over here. So it is giving the select query what we can use. Yeah, I think how we can join the table. I mean, to get the correct employee information, we need to join the tables, employees, addresses, and contact information. So, on what condition we need to join? So that also explained here. Yeah, there is a pretty much covering the whole lot of details about this DB schema. Yeah, that is very much appreciated from the ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.